Hello friends, welcome to House of Tech English. In this video, I'm going to tell you how to change default browser in your Mac. It doesn't matter which Mac device you're using. You might be using MacBook Air, MacBook Pro, iMac or Mac Mini. The process is going to be same. I'm going to guide you through each and every step. But before that, if you are new to the channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Let's start the video. Now, in order to change the default browser, all you have to do is just simply go to system settings, which you can find in dock, or else go and select Apple logo at the top and then select system settings. Once you open settings page, this is how the interface will look like. If you are using macOS 26 or macOS Tahoe, you will be able to see the same thing. But if your Mac is running on some other OS like macOS Sonoma or macOS Sequoia, things might be different. But to change the default browser, you have to select desktop and dock in settings. And on the right hand side, you get multiple options. Go down and look for default web browser. Now, if you only have Safari browser in your Mac, then by default, Safari will be shown over here. But if you have installed other web browsers like Google Chrome or Brave browser or Firefox, then if you select the drop down, you will be able to see other browser option over here. Now, what is the meaning of default browser? Currently, you can see Safari is the default web browser. If I try to open any link, it will open up that link in default browser only. Now you can see I have selected the link and it has opened up Safari and I can access that website. So if you want to change the default browser, then simply select the drop down over here. And as I said, if you have installed other browsers, you will be able to see these options. I want to select Brave browser as default browser for now. I have done that, and after doing so, next time onwards, if I try to open any particular link, you can see it is opening that link in Brave browser. If I select Google Chrome over here, it will open that link in Google Chrome. So yeah, that's how simple it is to change default browser in your Mac. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will see you all in the next one. Thank you.